Hello friends, let's learn simplification trick for this type of numeric question. 12 is equal to 3 cross 4. Small number is answer of this question. 3 is answer. Next question, 20. 4 cross 5 is equal to 20. Small number is 4. So answer is 4. Next, 30. 5 cross 6. Small number is 5. So answer is 5. Next question, 56 is equal to 7 cross 8.